Okay, so far this is what we've gotten from this bucket. Let's see what else is in there. Can you see, baby? No, you can't. Look, can you see these potatoes though? Look at these potatoes. Look at these potatoes. Does anybody feel like this when they get potatoes? Potatoes. So when I sow the potato seeds, I normally put in at least 4 potato seeds, 2 at the bottom and then 2 coming closer to the top, just so you have an idea of how many. Come back here and let's see. Yeah, just so you have an idea of how many potatoes I actually put in to get this harvest. So usually about 4 seed potatoes in this bucket. It's about a 15-gallon bucket. Ooh, there's a worm. Look, there's a worm moving around. Look at that potato. Okay, sorry. They're looking good. I'm trying to get them because I don't, if they turn yellow, I'm trying to get them because I don't want them to rot at all, because I've seen people's videos where they rot in the soil. And I don't want that to happen. There's a whole rock. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to get further down now to see if there's some at the bottom. Let me get a shovel. There you go. Okay. I think that's most of the harvest out of this bucket, but I want to make sure. I scratched that, so be real careful when you're pulling them, because I scratched the skin on it. Woo. Oh, look at that seed potato. It's mushy. But I must have put my finger in it. How gross. So the seed potatoes, the potato that all the new potatoes came off of. Sheesh, I gotta take a break. How good does that soil look though? How good does that look? loose and loamy to grow potatoes in. Has to be a little bit sandy. Ooh, another seed potato. Ooh. So I'm gonna say from one bucket I got about that many potatoes. Okay, Eve with BlackYard Gardens. Hope you guys enjoy our small potato harvest from this bucket. We might do another bucket today. We'll see you in a minute. Okay.